I've been at work all day. Right now we're off to my brother's house to go work on a motorcycle that could potentially be mine. Whoa! Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck!
Hey, David.
Hey.
Bag. I like the big X on the bag. That's really cool.
I did it so I could see it in the airport.
I know.
Let's go check out this bicycle. Don't know if I can use that door.
Hi.
Hey! Hey, little baby! Hi! Alright, guys, well, here it is. Looks pretty dirty, honestly. But, I need to learn how to ride one of these. So, yeah, last time I tried to ride one of these, I couldn't even keep it up. Wow, it is really dusty. Gotta wait for my brother to get here until we can start working on it. How did you ask her to marry you?
Went to Dunder Mifflin.
What's a Dunder Mifflin?
The Office. I'm guessing a lot of people.
You went to the real Office?
They were confused by the picture, I think.
You went to the real Office place?
Dude, I saw. It's cool.
Is that your guys' favorite show?
Oh yeah, I think so. It's mine. Hers is.
Well, you should have went to hers.
Yeah, I know. I was worried about that, but so the plan was to go and then see what what her reaction was, and if she was stoked, I would ask.
Oh,
and she was.
so
I was like, okay, this is good.
It was the real
This is good.
Office from the Office?
Let me show you, dude. It's amazing.
What?
Yeah. So we were gonna go to church at Grace Community Church, and I was looking up the week before where the Office was filmed. I thought it was gonna be in some studio. It turned out it's in a location you can go to on the street.
Whoa.
A mile away from the church we were gonna go to.
What?
1 mile away.
That's crazy.
I was like, oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, look how happy you guys look.
Yeah, we're happy.
You know, being sober, away from my friends, makes me hang out with my family more. It's actually pretty cool, man. Yeah,
bro.
dude.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
dude.
Yeah.
My family's awesome.
Yeah, we are.
Heck yeah, dude.
Especially today.
And today, yeah.
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 Even beds. Alright.
Yeah, we just helped the lady move a bed, and now we're going back to wait for Danny. How's it work?
Yo!
We're good?
I think it's tiring.
Tiring, yeah. You ready to work on this motorcycle?
Huh?
Or are we gonna watch the movie?
First I gotta clean out this freaking car. We're gonna start a new job tomorrow.
Oh, what job are you doing
I
now?
gotta get my, working a job at in the shores.
Oh, okay.
Just an inside paint job.
Whew. It's yours, dude. This bike is dirty.
Oh, it's a mess.
But we can clean it up, though.
It's been set aside for like...
What do I need to do? What do I need to do today to get it going? Okay, yeah, we'll take it easy for a little.
So I gotta...
Little bit of editing, then we'll work on the bike. Change of plans.
We're going out to dinner.
Cause I'm super hungry. Then we're gonna work on the motorcycle. Hopefully, probably won't even happen today.
There's a motorcycle?
Yeah, I'm getting a motorcycle.
You are?
Yeah, I gotta learn how to ride one for.
You'll die! You'll die! Goodbye.
Alright, well, we decided to eat at the golf course instead of the fish place, thank goodness.
Mr. Pescatarian.
No,
doesn't want to eat it.
this place is really nice. This golf course is nice.
You love fish.
We love the fish. Yes.
I'll take it.
I actually used to play golf, if you can believe that, a long time ago. They don't have many vegetarian options here. It's prime rib night at the golf course. Dang it. Need a basket of fruits.
Spinach salad is really good.
Spinach salad, alright. I'm hoping to have like some pasta or something. Dinner wasn't that good, was it? We working on the bike?
Heck no.
Oh, look at the osprey has 4 babies.
Oh, yeah, the birds.